In this video, we'll talk about linear pair and vertical angles. The concepts are extremely simple, but they have powerful applications in later geometry. So what's a linear pair? If you have a line, then if you were to use a protractor and measure this angle, it would be 180 degrees. So let's say you have line segment AB, and if I were to draw another line, say C, and say some point D here, or what we have done, what CD does is it splits the 180 degrees angle into two parts. They need not be equal, so let's call one angle as alpha, the other as beta. Then you can see that alpha plus beta is equal to 180 degrees. And since they add up to a straight angle and they're formed at a line, these are called linear pair. And anytime you have two angles add up to 180 degrees, you call them supplementary angles. So these angles are supplementary and they're linear pair. Now, what about vertical angles? If you have two intersecting lines that intersect, so let's say this is AB and CD, then the angles formed here are going to be congruent. We'll prove that. So let's say this is alpha and this is theta. So now notice, if I call this angle, and let's also label this point, angle AED, if I call this as beta, so notice alpha plus beta is 180 degrees because they form linear pair. Just like up here, alpha and beta, because they form a linear pair. And similarly, if you focus on the line segment AB, you can see that beta and theta form a linear pair. So from these two equations, if you subtract, you get alpha minus theta equal to 0. Or, okay, let's write down alpha minus theta is 0, or alpha is equal to theta. And that's the proof for equality of vertical angles. So I can actually go ahead and call each angle alpha.